So this is my 44 feet RV cover. I've already rolled it out. This is from United Covers. This is the front here, and it clearly marks front, and it goes all the way back here. And this is the back. So again, 44 feet, and I have to get it on Optimus. This 44 foot or 43 and a half foot coach. See where it's parked? On the side of the house. I've already cleaned her for the winter, so this is how we winterize it.